Hi, my name is Matt Chopek. I'm originally from Poland, but I've lived here since I was 4. I'm a junior at Boise State University. My major is film and television arts. Working on NTVI has definitely been the best experience I've had at Boise State, just because I couldn't have done it like anywhere else. It allowed me to create a bunch of new connections with other students and other professionals in the area as well, and learn a bunch of hands-on experience and being on a real film set. That's pretty much the biggest around in this area, and allowing me to learn skills that I wanted to learn and work in an area that I want to work in.
I'm Mykah, Charette. I'm majoring in film and television, and I'm from Elma, Washington. I am in NTVI, which is a 4-semester program that starts with writer's room in the fall, pre-production in the spring, production in the summer, and the following fall is post-production. I'm one of the producers for the upcoming television series, The Chinese Tourist. I think just being part of NTVI has really given me a lot of new experiences, connections. I've been able to speak to people who work for Netflix and DreamWorks. Being part of this program has really broadened my horizons.
Hi, my name is Ashli Phelps, and I am a film and television major, and I am from McCall, Idaho. My most rewarding experience, I would have to say, was being an intern for Treefort's Film Fort, and that was really rewarding because everyone's pretty much like a community, and they all work together and they all talk about the different techniques that they've used in their filmmaking process. I would say take every chance that you can get. Don't ever say no to something that is a good opportunity, because you're gonna miss out on so much. You know, get out of your comfort zone and really make the most of your college career.